Guys, Andrew here from Urban Auto, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today with 2003 Mercedes-Benz SLK320. This customer here have been using the vehicle for a while and took it out of storage, and they're complaining they've got issues with the hardtop convertible not working correctly. Now the owner's manual for the vehicle was not within the vehicle, so we had to do a little bit of looking online. What we find here initially, this is the button to get the hardtop to work. You move this back to get it to work and you'll see it starts to blink, indicating there's an error somewhere in the system. So a little bit further looking, we'll go here and we'll pop the trunk lid open, and everything looks okay, looks normal, but there is this garment cover. So when you have your luggage and all that in, you got to bring this into place and close it down. On this side here, there is a safety switch in which this is in place, the switch is closed, and then the sunroof will work as intended. Pull it back, rear windows start going down. And the magic of German engineering is working at its finest. So, just so you know, something very little and simple as having that compartment cover in place to depress that safety switch there. And that's mainly for, you don't have the trunk overloaded, you try to tuck away your hardtop sunroof, bend it, damage it, bend or damage any of the mechanism. It's there for safety, to have everything work as intended, as designed. Urban on board, safety first.